What is Hinge? What people use for dating?
Yeah.
And why is that different than Tinder now?
Because Tinder's blown.
You get more of their personality? Yeah, you get more of their pictures. Chris, are you on Hinge?
Everybody's on Hinge.
I don't really use it now. Also,
Are you on Hinge?
Yeah.
I want to go back to using my profile. You using my profile.
Can I see your profile? Do you have it on your phone?
No, I don't want to show you.
I gotta see.
No, I can't show
Bro,
you.
please.
I can't show you. I haven't used it in months,
Oh,
but I do have it.
Chris, do you have a Hinge profile?
Yeah, we were
Is it the same?
Yeah. Hinge is the new meta over Tinder because girls can pretend to not be the S word.
Oh yeah. They're good girls on there.
Yeah, they're good girls. Just friend dates. Hinge it up. New date, unhinged. It's for base dating.
MAGA dating.
Plenty of fish tank. Chat's funny. You guys are funny. Jacob Toohey has joined Zombie Biker Badass. How much a month is that?
1,000.
1,000 a month. Thank you, bro. I forgot what all the tiers cost. I don't even know.
Yeah, me too.
But hey, I know that's above Freak Monster Nasty.
We know it's an investment.
Yeah, we know it's worth it. Thank you, man. For real. Chat it up. Zombie Chiker Badass. They're telling me to delete my little gay app. You gonna do workout streams?
I don't know. I'm feeling the itch though
The itch to work out?
to get in a physical form once again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feeling the itch. I'm wondering about influencer Muay Thai,
Yeah.
if that's a thing.
Aren't they doing bare knuckle?
They're doing
Influencer
bare
fights?
knuckle. Yeah, they are. Which I don't know if I necessarily care about that so much.
Aaron A says, "Hey boys, just had my first day plumbing in the shop for now, but should be in the union and on site soon if I'm not an idiot. Thanks for the positive vibes and the parasocial relationship." Hey man,
You're welcome.
Aaron, we know you on a first name basis, and I consider you a personal friend.
We were just talking about him.
Yeah,
We were saying that the operation would fall apart.
we're in a Discord together, me and him.
Yeah.
But yeah, man,
He
make
just
that money.
I don't use Discord. He just emails me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if he
He
has
told me
something,
you guys were talking though.
yeah, he emailed you that. But if he has something important enough that needs your attention,
No.
he'll tell me in the Discord, and then I'll come to your desk and tell you.
He'll
What
text
he
me
said.
stuff. He'll be like, "Listen, I know Jet's sensitive about this topic. Let's just talk about it here on text."
He's been saying that about me.
Well, not in so many words, no, but I know that's why he's making me use WhatsApp.
Okay, yeah.
What's his name again? Fucking Brian.
He's Aaron, the plumber from
Aaron.
the Czech
Oh
Republic.
yeah. Hey, what's up, man?
Sheiky with the 25. Sam, probably already know, but did you see that Joe Bernstein actually got a job at the New York Times? Also, favorite Eurobeat song? Have you explored the older Super Eurobeat albums?
He's been at the New York Times for a minute, hasn't he? No More Sleep in Tokyo, whatever that song is. Stay? Is there one called Stay? we can play copyrighted fucking Tokyo Drift music, right? Wow, my shoulder is killing me.